Guys, please subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subscribers. Yay! Nzansi TV, it's the Betway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 4, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Spouse and Jet Li.
Sure, bro. I still mina bro ngizoba short bro. Angifuni ukukhuluma too much ne.
Yeah.
Namuhla ngikwazile ukubona quality ne quantity bro ngayi.
Quality
ne quantity. Yeah, ngibonile ngayi.
Yeah.
Yeah, bangabhala bafuna ukubhala mara ngibonile namuhla.
Yeah.
Yeah, ngibonile bhola ukuthi quality ne quantity ne bro wami. Ngiceda kanjalo ngicedile ngifuna ukukhuluma into eziningi bro wami. Ngibone quantity ne quality namuhla eChina.
There's a difference.
There's different bro. Ngibonile namuhla pitching.
What's quality?
Bro, ngifuna mara it's costing kan. It's costing
4 Sundowns.
Then equality le
Quantity.
Quantity angazi bayikore kanjani ipholi yakho. Ukhuluma eziningi. Mara ukhuluma iqiniso, ngisisa bro wami. Ukhuluma iqiniso. Yeah, there's majority of players ePirates bani yaba overrated. Utito bro is overrated bro, is doing nothing compared.
Exactly.
He's doing nothing, that guy.
Exactly.
Doing nothing.
Exactly.
Always what that ball trap we sell a move. What is he doing?
Hey.
Ufana no Martin Musku Chiefs.
Yes.
Same WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Same WhatsApp group no Martin. Same WhatsApp group no Martin. I wasn't checking namuhla yi. I saw equality and quantity bro. Ngibonile.
And over ya.
Yes. We bonile na. We bonile na.
Over ya.
We bonile bro. We bonile. Nani ngipepile bro. Yeah.
Just drop.
Changxiyo shoya. Yeah, I'm not just rap.
Say something. Say something.
How did you see this game?
Tishole, adishona. Bossa, alishole. Tishu konka, awochikole. Kesa parapete awochikole. Lishua. Nauchile shua. Bonjoa. Nauchile shua. Conjoa. Come on, Lishua. Pinchewa. Omenchi. Soundchule shingwa. With all due respect, I came in here, bought my ticket 3 weeks ago, and then because I'm an honorable person myself, and I honor such big games, that's why I bought my ticket at an early stage of the event before. And I came with my sleep, yeah, but to my surprise, when I came into these boom gates, whatever you call round gates or whatever, they didn't scan my ticket. Wow! And then that must give an eye on of the security of Loftus Stadium. Sundowns in the CAF Champions League, it's leading. In the PSL, it's leading. But their security is poor here at Loftus. So that thing we must implement, that security must be tight in the Loftus Stadium. Because Blue Bulls, it's a Blue Bulls Stadium here. When you're playing here, you must have secured security. And you must make sure that all the people, spectators who come inside here must be in their levels. No, don't laugh. This is not a laughing matter. You know why? A stampede is created by one of those things. When we barge in here without our tickets being ticked off. Hallelujah. Second subject.
Who's your man of the match, Jet Li?
I'm not going to go there first. Listen to me. I said second subject.
The best for the last.
Another thing what I saw here, Mamelodi Sundowns, I'm tired of saying to you guys congratulations. Tabeka itoma maleme. Mina loko byela gore mitlanga kahle. Male swinendla go leshenja go nwena. A swi family kahle. Mina wakuteka 40 league. He 15-12 points ahead of the second team. Ah, I'm in kahle. Right. Then today, kidi 8. Ne? Kidi 8. Tomorrow kidi 9. Horar lena. Leader second team. Ka 9 points. Yes. So what I'm gonna tell you guys that Orlando Pirates robile Sekhukhune penalty on Wednesday. That's why they're getting this punishment they had here. Barobile Sekhukhune handball ka Wednesday. Barobile Sekhukhune handball ka Wednesday. That's why they're getting this punishment. Isn't it true?
Not the handball. There was no handball there. But there was a penalty that was supposed to be given. But normally, when you are being bullied, you remember in school again, when you are being bullied, what do? You call your big brother. Sundowns. It's solved them for me. I don't care about them. We move on.
No, it's fine. So I would like to just amplify that. They must change these security companies that are coming here with contracts. They must hire interactive security, which is wearing black and red. It's here around the career. They must come and implement them here to come and work here. We can't tolerate that nonsense of coming into those gates without our tickets being scanned. Thank you very much. Neshowa, Neshowa, Panchowa, come on, Neshowa, come and see, some chili,